Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we'll be looking at the Petzl Actik core. So I've been using this headlamp for the past 5 years and it has been like a faithful companion. It has never failed me and it has been a part of almost all my adventures as well as a lot of daily activities that I do. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the Petzl Actik core is a 450 lumen headlamp. So there are 3 white light modes in it. Let me show them to you. There are 2 red light modes also. So if you long press, it changes to the red light mode. And when you switch on the red light mode and you press it once again, then it will change to the SOS mode. So the normal red light, sometimes if you don't want to disturb someone, then you can use it at night for reading. And this SOS light can be used to signal someone for help whenever you're in danger. Now this Petzl Actik core is powered by a lithium ion battery. Let me show it to you. And it usually lasts for more than a week of moderate use. And instead of this battery you can also use 3 AAA cells. तो अगर आप किसी एडवेंचर में जा रहे हैं, you can just carry extra AAA batteries with you, and just in case this battery goes down, which it will not, you will have a backup. The strap is really good and it is very comfortable for long hours of use also. The headlamp also tilts for various point of views, and it is a really good feature. As for me, I've been very satisfied with this product. So if you're planning to get a headlamp, you can definitely go in for the Petzl Actik core. For my 5 years of use, it has never failed me, and I'm sure it'll be a good companion to you also in your adventures. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.